Good morning children, I am Shalini from GK Jain School. Today I am going to take 4th standard social science. Topic is tinnies.
Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and if you like the content in the videos, do click the like button also.
Tinnies. Tinnies are also called as landforms of Tamil Nadu. We have already learned about the physical features of land, 5 elements of nature in the previous video. Now we are going to learn about the landforms of Tamil Nadu. These landforms of Tamil Nadu are also called as tinnies in Tamil. These are categorized based on the work done by the people living in the Tinai area. So there are 5 tinnies. Kurunji Tinai, Mullai Tinai, Marudam Tinai, Neidal Tinai and Palai Tinai. These are the physical features of land. Now we are going to see which Tinai will come to which physical features of land. Kurunji Tinai belongs to the mountain region. Mountains are the land area with large peaks. Mullai Tinai belongs to forest area. Forests are the large area with large number of trees. Marudam Tinai belongs to plain, and this plain is also called as field or agricultural land which is used for agricultural purposes. Neidal belongs to sea, the land which are covered by salty water or called as sea. Palai Tinai belongs to dry land, and this dry land, that is Palai Tinai, was formed when Kurunji Tinai and Mullai Tinai dried up. When these two things dried, this Palai Tinai was formed. These are the major things of the Tinai, 5 Tinais. About each Tinai we are going to see these things. First one is themes of classification, which is also called as Karuporul in Tamil. Under themes of classification we are going to learn 6 things. That is God, people who are living in that particular Tinai, occupation, that is major occupation, major work done by the people living there, animal or bird, next plant and flower, lastly musical instrument. So under this themes of classification we are going to learn these 6 things. Next to themes of classification, that is Karuporul, we are going to learn the people and their occupation. Apart from this people and this major occupation, we are going to see some other kinds of people in the particular Tinai and the work done by the peoples. And third, we are going to learn the soil types. The land that is composed of which soil, we are going to learn that, and some examples for that particular Tinai. These things we are going to learn about each Tinais. Kurunji Tinai is the first Tinai of all the 5 Tinai. This Kurunji Tinai belongs to mountain region. First we are going to see the themes of classification, that is Karuporul. God of Kurunji Tinai is Murugan, who is a Tamil god. Murugan is called as a Tamil god, and he is the god of Kurunji Tinai. The people who are living in this Kurunji Tinai are called as Kuravar, Kuratiyar. These Kuravar and Kuratiyar live in the mountain region, that is Kurunji Tinai. Occupation is the work done by the people living in that particular Tinai. So the occupation of this Kurunji Tinai is hunting, gathering. Hunting means they will kill other animals and get them money from them. That is called as hunting. Gathering means they will collect. They collect honey, roots, and they will sell that. That is called as gathering. So the major occupation of Kuravar, Kuratiyar are the hunting and gathering of roots and honey. Plant and flower. The plant of the Kurunji Tinai is bamboo. From bamboo only we will get the papers. Flower of Kurunji Tinai is Kurunji flower, and it is a miraculous flower which will grow only once in 12 years. We will see about Kurunji Thinai later. Kurunji flower. Animal is monkey or deer. So both of the animals are present in the Kurunji Thinai area. Bird, peacock and parrot. Peacock is our national animal and parrot. These both are the birds of Kurunji Thinai. Lastly, musical instrument. The instrument which is used by the Kurunji Thinai people for music is Kurunji yard. So these things are the themes of classification of Kurunji Thinai.
Second, people and their occupations of Kurunji Thinai. First, Porupan. Porupan is the soldier, which means he will fight for his own Thinai. Second, Verpan, leader of that particular tribe. Silamban, the master of martial arts. Silambam is the one of the fine arts for fighting, and the one who is doing that is called as Silamban. Kuravar is the hunter and the gatherer. We have already learned this is the major occupations of Kurunji Thinai. And Kanavar is the people of the mountainous forest. Third, the soil of Kurunji land. The land of Kurunji was composed of red and black soils with stones and pebbles. So the soil is composed of red and black soils. Some of the important hills of Tamil Nadu. The hills that are present in Tamil Nadu are these are the examples. Kolli Hills, Chevrayan Hills, Kalrayan Hills, Nilgiri Hills, Javad Hills and Elagiri Hills. These are the some examples for the Kurunji Thinai. Kurunji flower, it is a miraculous flower. Why? Because it grows once in 12 years. The flower grows well in the Western Ghats. So the Kurunji flower grows in the Western Ghats. It flowers in the month of July to September. So it will bloom only in the month of July to September. This flower has medicinal values. This Kurunji flower, which is called as a miraculous flower, has many medicinal values and it grows once in 12 years. That's why it is called as a miraculous flower.
Examples for Kurunji Thinai: Kolli Hills, Shervarayan Hills, Kalrayan Hills, Nilgiris Hills, Elagiris Hills and Javad Hills. These are some of the examples for Kurunji Thinai. Mullai Thinai belongs to forest region. In forest region, large number of trees are present. So themes of classification. Under themes of classification, we are going to learn about 6 things. God of Mullai Thinai is Tirumal. Tirumal is also called as Perumal. People, the people who are living in that Mullai region, that is forest area, are called as Idayar and Ayar. The female version of Idayar are called as Idaichiyar and the female version of Ayar are called as Aichiyar. Occupation, so the work done by the people of the Mullai Thinai are cattle rearing. The word cattle means the animals which gives us milk, egg, meat are called as cattle. Rearing means taking care or brought up, growing. So taking care of this cattle animals are called as cattle rearing. Plant of Mullai Thinai is Goa and the flower of Mullai Thinai is Mullai flower, which is jasmine. Animal, deer and rabbit. Bird, parrot. For Kurunji Thinai also parrot will come and Mullai Thinai also parrot is the bird. Musical instrument, Mullai yard. So these are the 6 themes of classification of Mullai Thinai.
Second, people and their occupation. In this, Idayar, Idaichiyar, Ayar, Aichiyar. Idayar and Idaichiyar are the mixed milk sellers and Ayar and Aichiyar are the cattle rearer. Cattle rearer means they will grow the cattles. Cattles are the animals which gives milk, egg, meat. Third, soil. So the land of Mullai was composed of rich soils with stones and pebbles. Since it is composed of rich soil, the Mullai was also called as Sembulam. Forest in Tamil Nadu. These are the examples for the Mullai Thinai. There are 4 examples in this: mangrove forest, second Malai forest, third reserve forest, and fourth Shola forest. Example for mangrove forest is Pichavaram in Kadalur district, Malai forest Nilgiri district, reserve forest Kanyakumari districts, Shola forest Coimbatore and Nilgiris districts. And the manufactured products trees used to produce. So paper is the products which is get from the bamboo, thaila and kudaivel tree. Safety match, that is matchsticks, are produced from ailai, mul, ilavu trees. Fragrance oils are the perfumes which gives a good smell. So that is prepared from sandal tree. And last, balm or soap, which are prepared from ilupai, neem and pungam. These are the some products that prepared from the trees. Pichavaram forest is the example for the mangrove forest. Pichavaram forest is a village near Chidambaram in Kadalur districts of Tamil Nadu. It is located in Kadalur, which is in Tamil Nadu. And this Pichavaram forest is the second biggest mangrove forest in India. Mangrove forest means the roots will be above the surface of the land. That is mangrove forest. And this Pichavaram forest is the second biggest mangrove forest. It comprises of small vegetation, aquatic animals, etc. So in Pichavaram forest you can do small kinds of vegetations, and you can able to see the small aquatic animals with moist temperature. The temperature will be moist. So this is about the Pichavaram forest, which is a example for the mangrove forest.
Examples for Mullai Thinai, that is forest. First forest is mangrove forest. Mangrove forests are the types of forest which has the root above the land, that is called as mangrove forest. One of the mangrove forests is Pichavaram forest, which is located in Kadalur district, and it is the second largest mangrove forest in India. Second, Malai forest. Malai forest will have hills. Reserve forest. Reserve forests are the protected kind of forest which will take care of wild animals, plants. This reserve forest will be taken care by the government. Shola forest, the word Shola means patch. In a patch area forest will be present. That types of forest are called as Shola forest. These are the some examples of Mullai Thinai, that is forest region. Soil types of Kurunji Thinai and Mullai Thinai. Kurunji Thinai soil type is the land of the Kurunji Thinai are composed of red and black soil, and the land of the Mullai Thinai are composed of red soil. Since it is composed of red soil, the Mullai Thinai is called as Sembulam. So this is the region. Mullai Thinai is called as Sembulam because it is composed of red soil only, whereas Kurunji Thinai is composed of both red and black soil.